If your hearing aids sound muffled or not working as they should, it may be due to wax buildup in the filter. There are several types of wax filters. Your hearing aids may have one of these three: the Cerastop, the CeraShield, and the Pro Wax. Speak to your audiology professional if you're unsure which type of wax filter you have. When changing each type of filter, you will first need to remove the dome. If you have the Cerastop type, take a new filter stick out of the packet. Each stick has two ends. One end has the new filter, the other end is the removal tool. Insert the removal tool into the sound outlet and gently remove the stick. Turn the stick around and push the new filter into the sound outlet and remove the stick. The new filter will be attached to the hearing aid. Discard the stick after use. Reattach the dome. If you have the CeraShield type wax filter, take note of the two openings. The first opening shows a rubbish bin, and the second opening has the new wax filter. Turn the CeraShield disc clockwise until you see a new filter in the second opening. Insert the receiver with the old filter into the centre of the first opening. Gently remove the receiver. The old filter should now be in opening 1. Insert the receiver into the centre of opening 2. The wax filter should now be inserted onto the receiver. Reattach the dome. If you have the Pro Wax type filter, pull out one of the black tools. You will see one pin has a new filter on one end with a tactile dot underneath. The other pin is empty to use for removing the old filter. Push the empty pin into the receiver. Gently pull out the tool to remove the old wax filter. Now insert the pin with the new filter into the receiver. The new wax filter should now be inserted onto the receiver. Reattach the dome. If you would like some further assistance, our audiology professionals are always here to help. Contact your local Specsavers Audiology store or book a hearing aid repair appointment online.